Hello and welcome to today's class. In today's video, we are going to talk about this diphthong A. Please repeat after me. Say A. Very good. But first, what is a diphthong? Diphthongs are two vowel sounds. There is a glide from the first sound to the second sound. In the English phonetic system, we have 8 diphthongs. These are A, I, O, O, ear, and O. But for this class, we are going to talk about diphthong A. To make the diphthong A, your tongue glides from A to I. So we go A. It's not I, it's A, like the letter A. Now let's see words where we have this sound. We have the diphthong A in words with AY, as in play, clay, pray, stay, today. We have it in AY that we've just talked about now. We also have it in AI as in wait, as in tail, as in rain, as in paint and train. So we have the sound A in those words. Let's see another example or other examples. We have it here in the word letter A as in alien. Please repeat. Table, cable. Very good. We have it in EA as in break, great, steak, delicious. That's not all. We have it also in words with EI. EI sounds A in this word as in veil, vein, rain. We also have it in EIGH as in nay, wait. Now, please understand that this word here, WEIGHT, has the same pronunciation as WAIT. Wait, wait. Both are homophones, same pronunciations, but different spellings, meanings, and origin. We have it here also, 8. Very good. And let's see other examples. We have it in EY here as in pray. Again, PRAY has the same pronunciation as PRAY. Both sound pray. So this is pray, that is pray. We also have it here in obey, they, and gray. Please note that gray can also be spelled Gray. I think that's American spelling, but this one here is British, Grey. We have it in some words we call that the magic E applies there. This is what I mean. In some words, when the letter E comes at the end of a word, the letter E at the end changes the vowel before it from a letter sound to a letter name. For example, A changes to A, E changes to I, O changes to O, and A changes to U. Now, in this word here, M-A-T-E, if I remove the E at the end, you get mat, mat. The A there sounds up. But if I put the E there, it becomes made. So the letter A now changes from A to A. That is the work of the magic E, or the silent E. So let's got the words. Made. You pronounce it. Very good. Cane. Good job. Tape. Wonderful. And now the last word here is cake. Great. So let's see other examples. We have it in these words as well. We have it in words with ET. And please understand that ET at the end of a word, if it sounds A, please know that that word is of French origin. French words with ET at the end sound A. Although in French, The sound, it's not really A in English, like the English diphthong A, but something close to it. So we call it A in English. Now let's got this word here. This word is not sachet, it's called sachet. Sachet. Very good. The next word, this is beret. It's not beret. Beret. Number 3 is called ballet. Ballet. It's not ballet. And the fourth one is called crochet. Crochet. And the last word here is bouquet. Bouquet. And finally, we have the A in AU as in gauge. Very good. Now let's have this reading practice. So I'm going to read the sentence first, then you repeat after me. The books were neatly arranged on the table. Very good. The next one. The children love to play in the park after school. The security guard locked the gate at sunset. Heavy rain fell throughout the night. And finally, he ordered a grilled steak for dinner. Very good. All right. Thank you very much for being here for this class. I'll see you in the next video. For now, bye.